Hello everyone, welcome to Mickey is Messing with Resin. My name is Mickey and I'm not messing with resin yet. I got a package and I waited to open it just for you guys. So let's see what we got. This came from Laura's Art Corner and I'm excited to say that I am now a Laura's Art Corner affiliate. And you can go to laurasartcorner.net and save yourself 10% with my discount code Mickey. And that's capital M, capital I, capital C, capital K, capital I. It'll be in my description box below. It's just my name, Mickey, in all caps. And you'll get 10% off. So let's see what we got. Let's open her up. Ooh, look, peanuts. Yay. Okay. So, as you know, if you live in the States, the only place you can get Octopus Fluid Inks is Laura's Art Corner. So, I have some fluid. I already have some Octopus, but I got some new colors. I'm so excited to try them. What did we get? Ocean, which I need more of. The, espresso, excuse me. There's no X in that, which I'm excited to try. That's the resin ink. And caramel. Is it caramel or caramel? How do you say it? Let me know. Caramel. I say caramel. But that's an alcohol ink, so that's exciting. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. And these are bright gold crushed glass bits. Ooh, those make good centers. I'm excited about that. Crimson red glitter glass, glitter glass. We have purple passion glitter glass. Oh, is that pretty? Oh yeah, I'm excited about that one. This is seafoam blue. This is glitter glass as well. Oh yeah, look at that. You know, I love the ocean. And my ocean colors, Lucky Green, Fine Glass Glitter. Let's see. This is pearls. Ooh, abalone pearls. Oh, yeah. What is this? Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. How pretty are those? That's going to be fun. Oh, yeah, I can't wait to use those. This is Silver Essence, and there's a little thank you sticker on there. What is the Silver Essence? I don't know. Ooh, sparkly. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm going to like that. That's going to be fun. What's in this one? This is, called Silver Goddess. Oh. Ooh, look. It's everywhere. Oh, it's like pink. Oh, I see some pink and purple shimmer in there. Can you guys see that? Is my camera doing it justice? Oh, that's pretty. I got glitter everywhere. Okay, so that's, and I still have one more thing to open. I love the way she packages. her stuff is packaged so well. You just know that nothing's going to leak or break. Thank you so much, Laura. I can't wait to try this. Oh, Candy Apple Blossom Red. Oh, my camera's not doing it justice right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't know if you can, I'm seeing it on camera. It kind of looks like a rust color, but it's a gorgeous red. I hope you can see it the way it looks in real life. This is called Purple Lotus. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's like a nice light purple. I'm digging that. Oh yeah, that's gonna, I like that. And this is called Cherry Blossom. And this is, oh, such a sparkly baby pink. Oh yeah, you guys, I'm gonna have some fun with Laura's Art Corner. Thank you, Laura, so much. Teal Blue Orchid. Now that looks nice and dark. Oh Lord, have mercy. Oh Lord, that's gorgeous. I can't stop saying gorgeous. I can't stop looking at this. This is so pretty. So pretty. I can't wait to use you. Oh, you're gonna look nice in an ocean theme, that's for sure. And then I got this. This is called Amaranthus. Amaranthus. And it's like a bronzy brown. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I already got ideas, kids. I already got ideas. How fun. And that is what I got from Laura's Art Corner. And I am so excited that I'm an affiliate of hers. Affiliate of hers. And I'm so excited. So please, you guys, if you want to get your hands on some Octopus Fluid inks, any of her gorgeous mica powders, any of her awesome glass glitter stones, and a multitude of other stuff that she has. This is just the tip of the iceberg, but go over to laurasartcorner.net and don't forget to use my discount code and get yourself 10% off. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Yeah, that's it for this video. So I just want to thank you guys so much for being here. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing of, it's like Christmas, isn't it? I'm so excited to have all these goodies. So, until we see each other again, see ya. Okay, you guys, I have a confession to make. I lied to you. I lied to you about the last bit being it for now, and I apologize. I got so excited, and you know what? I decided to go ahead and make something with all the goodies that I just got. So I apologize for lying to you, but at least you're getting something out of it, right? So here's what I did. I mixed up 200 ml. That's just alcohol in there. Cleaning it up. I mixed up 200 ml of the Bond Craftor 1-to-1 resin. Okay. I put 30 grams into this little cup here. And I put 10 drops of that, I want to say espresso, but it's not X. There's no X in it. It's espresso. Espresso resin ink by Octopus Fluids, which, you know, you can get at laurasartcorner.net if you're in the States. That's pretty. It's nice and dark, but you can still see through it. You can still see the side of the cup, so that's good. All right, so then I did also 30 grams in this cup. And this cup is that gorgeous Amaranthus mica powder. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's going to come in handy during the fall, don't you think? That's a beautiful fall color. And then I did 30 grams of resin in this cup. And this cup, I have just a skosh of Eye Candy's beige pigment paste with about a half a spoon of the chrysanth gold. And you can barely see the gold, and that's actually what I want. I just wanted to add just barely a shimmer. Come on, camera. This camera doesn't like me. Okay, anyway. And then the rest, because I want this mold to be mostly white. So the rest I just made up in the Satori White pigment paste by Eye Candy. All right. And, you know, I love this mold. And, you know, I've been on a marble kick lately. I love doing this marbling, especially in this mold. For some reason, the marbling just lends itself really well to this Geode Edge tray mold that I got from Eye Candy Pigments. So I'm going to do a dirty pour. I have a plastic cup or silicone cup. It's nice and squeezy, which is what I want. And because I want this mostly to be white with just streaks of that, I'm going to start with mostly white. Okay. Get a little bit of white in there. We are ready to pour. Here we go. Where's the white, guys? Where did it go? Here we go. There it is. Oof. It's all sitting at the bottom. It's sunk to the bottom. And I am domed. All right, that was perfect. Who knew? All right, we will get this cleaned up. We'll let this do its thing for about an hour, and then I'll put it in the curing machine, and we'll come back and see what it looks like. I love watching it close in like that. I'll go ahead and put you on a little bit of a time lapse so you can watch the satisfying time lapse of it closing in. All right, guys, see you soon. Okay, you guys, we are back. I mean me. I'm back. Hi. Did you miss me? Let's see how our marbles traded. You know, first of all, I just want to say that, again, I love this tray, and I'm obsessed with this marble effect. So I'm sorry that I'm doing this on repeat, but I just love it. But let's look at the back. It looks kind of cool. It closed up very nice. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I love it. Now, I think I forgot to tell you that I did put some glitter in the edge and let that cure before I did the marble effect over the top. But what do you think? Look at some of this. There's some cell action going on. Look at this corner. How cool is that? I got a couple of little bubbles in there. I'm okay with that. But you guys, I love it. Laura's Art Corner. that was the, what's it, the Amaranthus Brown. Oh my God. Can you see the gold shimmer in there from the chrysanth gold from Eye Candy? Oh, and it looks like, it kind of looks like real stone, doesn't it? A little bit. I love it. I love it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. You have no idea. And again, don't forget that you can get 10% off at Laura's Art Corner with my discount code, which is linked in the description below, as well as Eye Candy. So my affiliate link in the description, No, the discount code is in the description. So find those both in the description below. And thank you. I said that. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you love it. And, you know, I'm still digging this tray. Do you want me to do another color scheme, another marble? Tell me what you want. I will do whatever you want. Tell me in the comments below what you want to see me do next. And I'll do it, I promise. Thanks. Until we meet again, you guys. See ya.